Hello, awesome buddy. Good morning. Welcome to your science class. Let's recall our previous topic from the last lesson. Direction. Answer the question in one or two sentences. Why is joining materials is important? What useful item can be made from cut wood? Why is it necessary to change the shape of some materials? How does molding help in making household or school items? Glass. What happens to solid materials when they are hammered? You did great, everyone. Congratulations. Guess the objects being described in the sentence. 1. I am always present during mealtime. I mix with the plate, a friend to food every time. I have no mouth, but with food I'm eager to go. What I am. I am a spoon. I am strong and made of metal, guarding the home so no one can enter. I am not a person, but I am open when someone arrives at your home. It is a gate. I am shiny and yellow and hood. In jewelry, I always shine through. I'm precious and wanted by many. In rings and necklaces, I know to be plenty. I am gold. What did you notice about these objects? And why do you think metal was used to make them? Today, we will discuss the properties and uses of metals used by the local community. But before that, this is our objectives for today's lesson. The students will be able to identify the different types of metal such as iron, gold, silver, and copper, and describe their common uses in the home and community. 2. Show appreciation for the importance of metals by sharing how these materials help in everyday life. And last, sort and classify objects made of metal found at home or in a classroom based on their types and use. Did you know that many things around us are made of metals? Metals are strong types of materials used in making household items, jewelry, and work tools. Here are some types of metal commonly used in our community. First one is iron, in Tagalog, bakal. The characteristic of iron is strong and heavy, not easily broken, can be hammered or cut to change shape. Uses in the community, parts of fences, doors, and roofs. Used in making household furniture such as beds and tables. Important in making construction tools like nails and hammers. Sample is hammer and other materials. The second one is gold or ginto. Characteristic of this is bright in color and does not rust, soft and easy to mold, valuable and expensive. Uses in the community, used in making jewelry such as earrings, and necklaces. Also used sometimes for medals or awards. Also used in technology such as small parts and cell phones. This is the example. Third is silver or pilak. The characteristic of this is shiny and white color, somewhat soft and easy to curb or mold, can conduct electricity. Uses in the community, use in jewelry, parts of utensils such as spoons and fork, also used in electrical wiring and some appliances. And this is the example, like pouring pork, coins, wires, and everything. Lastly, the copper or tanso. Copper or tanso. The characteristic of copper is brown or reddish color. Excellent conductor of electricity and does not rust easily. Uses in the community, used in electrical wires, used in bells, tools, or pipes. Some jewelry and decoration are also made of copper. This is the sum of the example that made in copper. Metal such as iron, gold, silver, and copper each have their own characteristics that make them useful in our daily lives. They are important in building homes, making tools, and creating items used in school, churches, and other parts of the community. Let's go to your activity. For your first activity, direction gives example of objects made of iron, gold, silver, and copper. Number 1, bakal or iron. Some possible answers are electric post, metal walls of building, doors and windows, cooking tools like frying pan and pot, vehicle part like axe, engine, and blocks. Number 2, ginto or gold. Some possible examples are jewelry like ring, necklace, and earrings. Home decoration like gold photo frame. And last, dental implant and crowns. Number 3, pilak or silver. Some possible answers are jewelry like ring, necklaces, and earrings. Silver eating utensils like spoon, fork, and knife. And medals and trophies. Last, pilak or copper. Possible answers are electrical wires, parts of electronic devices like circuit board and connectors. Home decoration like copper statue and tray. Good job, kids. For your second activity, direction, draw or show, pointing fingers if the sentence is correct, and stop if it is incorrect. Number 1. Iron is a type of metal that easily breaks. The correct answer is stop. Number 2. Gold is a type of metal used in making jewelry. The correct answer is pointing finger. Number 3. Copper is a type of metal that is good for use in electrical wires. The correct answer is pointing finger. Number 4. Silver is a type of metal that is more valuable than gold. The correct answer is stop. Last, metals can be recycled and reused. The correct answer is pointing finger. Good job, kids! Are metals is important in our environment? Metals are important in our environment because of their application in various fields such as construction, electronics devices, and jewelry. However, we need to practice responsible mining and processing of metals to protect our environment and ensure a sustainable future. Remember, kids, metals play an important role in our daily lives, but we also need to take care of the environment to avoid the negative effect of mining and processing metal. Through proper use and care of metals, we can enjoy their benefits while protecting our environment. For your last activity, direction, choose the letter of the correct answer. Number 1. What is the main use of metal? A. For making buildings and bridges. B. For writing on paper. C. For growing plants. Number 2. What type of metal is shown in the picture? A. Copper. B. Gold. C. Silver. Number 3. How can you use metals in making a simple object? A. By shaping them into tools or utensils. B. By planting them in the soil. C. By pressing them to make them lighter. Number 4. What are the characteristics of iron? A. Strong and durable. B. Soft and easy to turn. C. Melt like ice in the sun. And last, if you are going to build a house that is not easily damaged, what will you use? A. Iron and concrete. B. Paper and plastic. C. Cloth and wood. For your assignment, instruction, list 5 examples of metals commonly used in your community. Describe the characteristic of each metal. Good job, kids! Thank you for listening to our lesson for today. See you next time. Goodbye!